The most unique bird that only found in Borneo is green magpie. Green magpie, or dubbed in the local language raven, is one of the most beautiful bird species found in the Borneo forest, especially in the Sabah State Mountains. Mountain raven can be clearly seen from a distance based on its green color that is very stunning. This view has a reddish-brown wing on its side, while the legs and beaks are bright red, and there is a very unique black line on his face. The tail feathers and wings also have white tips. These incredible birds live in forests in mountainous areas of over 3,000 feet. It is always seen alone and moves silently from one tree to another. The food is all kinds of large insects and also small reptiles.
Pada awal bulan lalu, saluran YouTube saya diretas, dan para peretasnya, para pencuri pekerjaan, menghapus semua video saya dari saluran YouTube saya. Hasil kerja saya selama 12 tahun hanya begitu saja.